So it's crazy what's happening with the market, guys. I just can't believe. So I made this trade in few minutes, and yeah, crazy, crazy. It was clear and simple and basic. So by the way, I'm using the same strategy for my students. Please go back to the course chapter 5. There's some updates with the episode 3. Just go there. Let me just open this first trade. So please go there. Just check the third episode from chapter 5. There is some new changes. So about the MACD, the way I use MACD, I changed the period from 15 to 20 because there is major change to the market. Yeah, some major changes to the market. So as you can see, this is a clear uptrend. All right, a clear uptrend. So my strategy told me that this one is going to be a green candle. This one is going to be a green candle, and that's what I'm doing. I guess. So yeah. You understand. So if you mastered my strategy, you understand that this is not what we are used to. That's why I'm trading with $50 only. I'm not trading with more than $50 because I don't want to risk too much because yeah, the market is changing. So take a look at the MACD. Yeah, MACD is basically the same. But if you look closely, so let me just take this first win. Yeah, $41. Um, great. This one was also simple. So I believe that we are going to have another uptrend or another high position. So this one was simple. Yeah, another uptrend. Let's keep it $50 and let's go higher. Let me just go higher. Yeah. All right. So as I was saying, guys, as usual, I'm using Parabolic SAR, MACD or Bollinger Bands, um, MACD and RSI. I made this win previously, and I started recording this session here at this position. I made this loss because I was testing the market, but I made a loss. I don't know how, but yeah. Once I found this signal, guys. So now let's go down. Yeah. Let's go down. Yeah. Let's go down. This one is going to be a red candle. This one is going to be a red candle. Um. So I wasn't expecting this to be a downtrend, but yeah, it happened. The market went down. So this is why I did not open any other trades the same day, and I kept waiting until today. So today, these three trades are predictable, easy, and straight to the point. Yeah. So I guess this one is gonna be a downtrend. Oh, wait a minute. If I'm winning this one, yeah, I'm winning. So still have 1 second. Yeah, winning. I guess that we are going to have a higher position this time. A higher position. So let's keep it $50 and let's go. I guess that we should go up. Yeah. It was, but don't let this clear downtrend fool you. All right. Yeah. So, by the way, guys, for those who are interested in learning my strategy, please go to our website binarystrategycourse.com. Try to learn the strategy, enroll the course, and yeah, keep training, keep practicing on demo account, and yeah, I don't guarantee you guys, by the way, that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not saying that you will have the same results. Nothing is guaranteed with binary options, so be careful, please. Yeah, let me take this one. The next one is going down. Yeah. It's going down. It's going down. Now, this one is going down, I guess. Let's keep it $50 and let's go down. $50, and let's go down. um yeah, I guess that the market, I don't know, but I believe that the market will start making some small or middle range downtrend, and I believe, yeah. So I don't know why three red candles created by MACD. I guess that's it. Yeah, we will start seeing some red candles. Sellers are getting stronger. Yeah, sellers are getting stronger. So let's see. Yeah, as predicted. Yep, we will see a clear downtrend from this point on. So let's keep trading down. Sorry. Yeah. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. All of them are indicating. No, this one is indicating not trend. This one is so yeah, we are going to see some kind of a downtrend. Yep, another win. Next, also a downtrend. You know what? I'm not sure about the next one. I'm not sure. No, 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 no. Should I? Let's keep it. Let's keep it down. I'm gonna, yeah, wait for it. Honestly, I'm not sure, but I believe we will see a red candle. I believe that we are going to see a red candle. I hope that we will win. A red candle, a red candle. So yeah, the strategy never changed, guys. If for those who are interested, you can find it on the description of this video. I'm using the same strategy. There's some new updates. You can find the updates on chapter 5, episode 3 of the course. Yup. Oh, it's a loss. Thank God. I almost lost there. I almost lost there. Crazy. But I believe that we still have a downtrend. Yes. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it with a lower position. A lower position. Let's open a lower position. Hope that this prediction is right. A lower position. So a 0, but that's okay. It's not a loss. I did not lose here. That's okay. So you still have. Oh, I'm losing. Oh my God, I'm losing. I guess that we lost here. I'm losing. If I'm losing this one, I'm quitting right here. Oh, please stay there. Stay there. Great. Beautiful. Beautiful. Another win. So now let's go up. Let's go higher, because if you took a look here, yeah, I guess we are going higher. I guess next we should go higher. Yeah. So as you can see, let's go up. Yeah, looking at the Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, MACD. I guess that's it, guys. I guess this is going to be my last trade for today. It was beautiful. We made, I don't know how much we made, but we made around 300 or something like that. Yeah, we made something like $300. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So hope that you enjoyed, guys. Please take care.